CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Cellular Connectivity. Cellular connectivity refers to the technology that allows mobile devices to communicate over long distances without using physical cables. Instead, these devices rely on radio signals exchanged with nearby cell towers that are strategically placed to provide wide geographic coverage. Whenever you make a phone call, send a text message, or access the internet using mobile data, your device is communicating with one of these towers. To support millions of users at the same time, cellular networks operate across carefully managed frequencies and channels. As a user moves from place to place, the connection is automatically handed off from one cell tower to another without interruption. This seamless transition is what allows you to start a phone call in one location and continue it while traveling, or stream media while on the move without losing connectivity. Cellular technology has evolved through several standards, commonly referred to as 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, with each version improving speed, reliability, and overall capacity. 2G, or second generation, was designed primarily for voice calls and basic text messaging. While it was groundbreaking at the time, its data capabilities are extremely limited by modern standards. 3G, or third generation, introduced faster data speeds that made mobile web browsing and basic video streaming possible. The arrival of 4G, or fourth generation, marked a major shift in mobile connectivity. With significantly higher speeds and improved performance, 4G enabled high-definition video streaming, online gaming, and many of the mobile applications we rely on today. 5G, or fifth generation, builds on this foundation by offering even faster speeds, increased capacity, and much lower latency. These improvements not only enhance everyday mobile use, but also support emerging technologies such as augmented reality and advanced connected systems. As cellular standards have progressed from 2G through 5G, each version has delivered a better user experience by supporting more devices, faster data rates, and more reliable connections. Understanding which cellular standard a device is using helps explain differences in performance, coverage, and connectivity, especially when troubleshooting mobile network issues. Beyond understanding how cellular networks work, it is also important to know how a device manages its cellular connection. When cellular connectivity is enabled, a mobile device can place calls, send text messages, and access the internet through its mobile service provider, often referred to as a carrier. This connection becomes especially important when Wi-Fi networks are unavailable, such as while commuting or traveling. There are also situations where cellular data settings directly impact device behavior. For example, a device may still be able to make phone calls but lack internet access if cellular data features are restricted. In other cases, cellular connectivity may be limited by network settings that control which cellular technologies are allowed. Ensuring that the appropriate cellular standards are enabled allows the device to connect properly when signal conditions change. Additionally, when traveling internationally, cellular data may be restricted to prevent unexpected charges. In these situations, enabling data roaming allows the device to access mobile data services outside the home carrier's coverage area. While this restores internet access, it should be used carefully, as roaming can result in additional costs. Most mobile devices allow users to manage cellular connectivity directly through the settings menu. From there, users can enable or disable cellular data, control roaming options, and verify which cellular technologies are active. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.